What is up, guys? Loop to react with another Nightwish song.
We got it.
We are a little hooked. We got interested because the first song we reacted to on this channel got a lot of comments, a lot of suggestions, and we want to get more into it.
Thank you to the Nightwish fan, because we were a little vanilla and we want to be a little less vanilla.
Right. And also, if we don't know facts, that's the beauty of a reaction. We don't know anything, So people that say do your research, no, we don't do a research on purpose because
that's not a reaction.
We want it to be as pure as possible. Anyway, tonight we're reacting to the song Noise. So we got the official music video, Nightwish. Let's do it.
Let's go. All right.
It's a baby.
Creepy.
A little creepy.
A baby with a tattoo.
Looks like a barcode. Oh. Just like that? That's kind of cool. The video, like all like medieval and shit.
With the phones.
With the cell
like
phones.
the satire
yeah.
About the social media era. Thank you.
All white screens though.
Mona Lisa.
Okay.
It's basically Hollywood.
Yeah. This is the cosplay of LA.
I feel like home in this video.
It's a fun music video though to watch.
Cool.
There's some hotties.
Please love me, see how I bleed, please endure. I have such empathy in me. How noise, how beautifully numb, deep in the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, sad hologram, lost in the maze. The real and human feel. The sunset is free from this deity. The earth has a real voice, go out and get in.
Now he's older.
Alright, this girl's a hottie. Great voice.
I like this song. It's entertaining.
Yeah. I wonder if that's her daughter. What happened?
I like that. The throne.
Why is it red? Is he out of battery or something? trippy.
From the sunless world, your mirror is black, only a couple stares back at us. Name a brave new world. Lies, unicorn in human voice. Red insomnia, paranoia, careless lies. Reckless lies.
Oh, he's old now. Oh, wait.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Nice.
I
though.
didn't-
Very good video.
I didn't quite get the message, but
Yeah, I mean the message of the video.
like we're all
itself,
brainwashed.
yeah. We are all doing stuff in front of the camera.
Yeah.
And we are the opposite. But
Right.
that thing with this person.
Very, very important
Cinematic.
cinematic music video. Yeah. Yeah, very cool.
Nice.
I really
Song is
enjoyed it.
fun.
The song is fun. Yeah, I enjoyed watching from beginning to end, but the music video helped.
Yeah.
Music video was
Yeah.
hella entertaining. I don't know, we picked a song randomly from the comments, so
Nice.
yeah, let us know what we should react to next. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. It's free. Consider subscribing to the channel. Leave us a comment. And we also stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/loop2win. Thank you for being here. I'll catch you next time.